This is my 2016 Scion IM. Powered by a naturally aspirated 1.8 liter inline-4, this is the successor of the Matrix, the grandfather of the GR Corolla, and practically the same exact car. Plus it comes with a manual. Sort of. Alright, so it's not exactly a GR Corolla, but it is a Corolla hatchback in essence, and it is a very practical daily commuter. My family bought this thing for a total of 12,000 Canadian rubles from a used car dealer, and we're quite happy with it so far. But we want to do a couple of very simple crayon-eating modifications and just get a couple of things looked over, because it is a Canadian car and it's survived many a winter, but this is our first winter with it, so let's take a look at how it's actually doing underneath. But first, we'll have to get up le driveway de Rin. This is going great. You know, this is a very easy driveway to back up. We're so blessed to have, you know, this like workspace available to us, and yeah, we also love Canadian winters. You know, it's really made it easier. Okay.
You're in.
All right, we made it into the garage. We got some cinema lights up to make it look nice and cinematic in here. Just increase the cinematicness by the minute. Let's pop the hood.
Yeah, let's see what's under here.
Yo, 2JZ? Look, an engine. It runs on plastic. Plastic, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, just all we can see is plastic. Plastic.
It's all plastic.
Intake, plastic. Exhaust, not plastic.
Plastic for 5 minutes.
Yeah, and then it's soup.
Okay, what should we do first?
First, I mean, let's just go over the fluids. I know everything should be like topped up pretty well since I did it recently, but I just want to like go and check everything. My windshield wiper fluid, I'm pretty sure is, yeah, not bad. Been using quite a bit of it, but it's still in there. It's actually, it's missing a bolt that holds that down there.
Ah.
That's not bad. That's, you know what, that's probably even just a plastic clip, I bet. I'm sure that's fine. Toyota probably engineered it that way for weight savings, right?
Yeah, just like
a gram.
1 gram weight savings.
Yeah. Brake fluid looks to be pretty good. Not really intent on changing that. Coolant is nice and full. Very pink, very Toyota. Blinker fluid. Blinker fluid is topped up. That's good. Let's see how my oil is.
Yeah, that's the funny part.
Never-ending dipstick.
Oh, that's like brand new.
Yeah, that's not bad at all, actually.
That is like literally brand new oil.
Very, very nice. Nice golden brown. I think I have a good 1,000 miles before we're actually like time for an oil change. This car has already done 1 road trip down to the States, so it's definitely seen some miles since we got it, but it's been holding up very well. It's on winters now. I did get a set of knockoff TE37s for my other wheel set, but I decided to keep the winters on the stock wheels. Yeah. The only thing that is really concerning about this car that I've never really been able to tell is how the underside looks for rust.
Yeah.
And I think it may be a bit of an adventure to try and get under there.
Yeah, that's just salt.
Yeah.
Per usual.
There's a lot of salt on this car. I took it to get
Yeah.
washed today, and it's already like salty again.
Canadian winter.
Canadian winters are great.
Is rusty, but it's not too bad.
Yeah. I just noticed this here from the wiring loom. It's just a little exposed, but I think that's fine.
It should be fine.
This is fine.
Someone's been in there before.
Yeah.
Certified fix.
Yeah.
I see like small amounts of rust, nothing too crazy. Just from the like here in the engine bay and the like all the mounting points. Let's give your
The engine mounts are the ones I'd be most concerned about.
Yeah, they look a bit crunchy.
Yeah. This car is 10 years old.
This one looks pretty good.
Okay, nice.
Like the one over here, the one on the bottom is a bit concerning.
It does have a bit of torque steer for an engine that is not that powerful. Like it will, I think it usually wants to go to the right a bit. Yeah, I'd love to jack it up, but I think that might be too much of an adventure to just start out with. Let's maybe do some of the very simple stuff.
Cool.
And then we'll do that as the final thing we do. And then we can see the quality of this underbelly.
The condition.
The condition. All right. All right, so we have an assortment of parts here. These rain guards. It's very simple. You just take this cardboard and you put it here and it prevents rain from going in. And I think this will be a nice little upgrade. Let me be able to like crack the window open every now and then, not get soaked on the inside. But we're gonna be applying some of this product to the glass to make sure that rain beads off of it and we don't have as much fog here in the winter. We're also gonna be using some silicone spray on all of the rubber trim. That way there's no chance of it freezing over the winter as well. All of those things would really suck. And then we have just various knickknacks that have been purchased by a certain Chinese online retailer that we will be putting inside the car. Yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, where is your frame? That's important.
The front jacking point
Yeah.
is in like the middle.
It's like the center.
Yeah. Plastic.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the car's caught a case of the plastics. Okay.
Is this as high as this little thing goes? No, no way.
I can try and go higher.
That is the, yeah, okay, that's the lift point. I mean, it's walking itself forward. That's good. It's so hard to see with all the road salt.
Yeah.
You might have to go higher for these to fit in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me just find the point first.
From what I can see here, just based off of like the front control arms and everything.
Yeah.
if there is anything, it looks like it may only be like very minimal surface. Like what I was worried about was seeing like some real like flaking and shit.
It doesn't look bad, to be honest.
No.
Your exhaust is still shiny.
Wow. No one's stolen my catalytic converter.
Nope.
Yet.
Oh.
What do you see?
Somebody tried to jack this up from the wrong place.
Ooh. A little bent.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Not terrible. I can definitely see some. Yeah, the paint. A lot of the paint. Came
The
off
paint
from
is
that.
coming off, yeah.
But all in all, not terrible.
I don't see any, like, red flags.
No.
Let me look at your struts.
Yeah.
Ah, that's a bit rusty, but that's to be expected.
I feel like that's within tolerances for a day.
Yeah, for Ontario car.
Oh, it's fucking snow.
Yeah.
But, so the good thing is, like, on this generation, they fixed the Toyota pockets.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
luckily none of that. No wheel bearing issues.
Nope. That's good.
Yeah. Let's see what the other side reveals. Down here, snow, salt,
Snow, salt,
Okay.
snow, salt.
snow, salt, more snow, more salt. It's my fuel tank.
Hey, that's not bad. I mean, there is a lot of plastic. I think getting it up on a lift and properly looking at it is the way to go.
Yeah.
But for now, I think it'll do.
Let me ask you this.
Yeah.
Do you think this was a good purchase for $12,000?
For... Would you get it for a family car? Yeah, I think it is. It's in really good condition, I think.
I'm very happy to hear that. Going to do our best to keep this thing in a good condition.
Subscribe for us to buy shit boxes.
If we don't get sponsors by summer, I think I should just like wash the car in like a scandalous swimsuit for us to get money and fund like a fun project. Help us go rallying by being a pervert.
Give us money.
Give us money. Maybe we'll start like an Only Feet. All Grips Garage for a reason. All right, now we have to actually lower this thing back down.
Yeah.
This is the bit that I'm nervous for. I'm more nervous about the lowering it bit than the like jacking it.
Should we open the door
In case
and
like,
put the extension on just in case it jumps or
yes.
something? Yeah, okay.
All right, now we just have to get out the driveway to Rin, which will be much easier. So much easier. It'll be a cakewalk.
It'll be nice.
Yeah, let's do it, team. I'm stuck.
Uh-oh.
Hold on. How much room do I have to back up?
Like a foot.
Okay.
Okay, you're there. Yes.
I feel like that was terrible parallel parking, but we got out of there so much easier than we like came in. This was a really great time. Thank you so much for letting us come use your garage.
Anytime.
It was really a pleasure.
It is
Once
the
again,
good.
if you are sick and tired of the amount of responsibility and reliability that you see in this vehicle, please subscribe so that we can get a shitbox. It
Please.
is our true heart's desire.
Give us shit box money, please.
Please,
Please.
please.